In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply filter in Shotcut. This is a simple, straightforward tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to add, find, and fine-tune filters to get the look you want. Filters in Shotcut are effects you can stack onto a clip to correct color, add stylized looks, or enhance details. The key idea is that filters always apply to whatever you currently have selected. So start by selecting the right clip. Begin by clicking the video clip you want to affect in your timeline or playlist so it's highlighted. With it selected, go to the Filters tab. If you don't see it, look for the Filters button near the top toolbar or in the panel area. If you select the wrong clip, the changes won't show up where you expect, so double-check the highlight around the clip before adding effects. Inside the Filters panel, click the plus sign to add a new effect. A list opens showing all available filters. You can scroll through categories, or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific filter by name. This is the quickest way to explore Shotcut's built-in options without hunting through menus. For our first example, choose color grading. Once it's added, you'll see controls for shadows, midtones, and highlights, along with brightness and saturation. Drag the sliders gently and watch the viewer update as you go. Small moves usually look more natural. If something goes too far, just reset that control or nudge it back until the image looks balanced. Every clip can have a slightly different starting point, so trust your eyes and aim for a clean, consistent look across your footage. To add another look on top, click the plus sign again in the same filters panel. This time select Glow. After it appears, adjust its intensity and radius until you get a soft bloom without washing out the image. The idea is to brighten highlights and add a subtle halo, which can be great for dreamy or cinematic shots. A little goes a long way here, so make adjustments slowly and preview your changes to make sure details remain clear. Remember, you can combine multiple filters this way. Select the clip, open filters, hit plus, pick what you need, and fine-tune. The search bar is your friend when you know the name of a filter, and stacking allows you to build a style step by step. That's all there is to it. Click your clip, click filters, click the plus, choose the filter you want, and adjust until it looks right for your video. If this tutorial helped you, leave a comment, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos.